Having a problem with this truck 57 Dodge Ram, and the problem started with misfiring, and it was the lifters and the cam, and I did rebuild the engine, and after I rebuilt it just to drive it like 4 miles, and it started shaking, misfiring again, and I felt so bad. And then when I checked, the code was, the first one was 1417, I believe, which is the cylinder 7 misfires, and it says low oil brusher blocked and MDS solenoid. The other code was p3497, and it's same thing. So I know the problem was oil block, the screen block, or something like that. So I took first one. I took the MDS solenoid off, and one of them, the screen was crashed. Then I just replaced it. I drove it again, and after like 15 miles, the problem came back again with a different code, which is 1416, cylinder 6. So I thought the old MDS solenoid is bad, but look, when I took it off, here's what I found. The bottom of the MDS, this magnet thing catch the whole debris of the old cam. And this one, after I start to clean it a little bit, get a bigger, like a bigger magnet, so can remove this debris from it to the big magnet. And if you look inside here, this after I took it off, the first one, I took it off with a needle. You just stick the needle inside and trying to wiggle it, and then you take it off. I'm gonna do this for all four and start to clean it. And if you have like a vacuum, just trying to suck it, or just stick a magnet inside there to take the debris out. That's it. That was the problem. I'll just share it because it take me a while until I find this problem. So either this screen blocked, or I believe you're gonna have some debris on the tube and the oil band. Trying to clean that too, and the code should be gone. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just comment below. Please like and share. That help me out to make more videos, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.